We welcome you with words that were first spoken thousands of years ago at our beloved Holy of Holies, our temple in Jerusalem. Baruchim haba'im b'shem Adonai. Blessed are you who come here in the name of God. And with these words, we link this moment and this place, the two of you and all of us together, with the most sacred and joyous moments of our existence. And I ask for you the blessing spoken only at this moment in our tradition, and only for the bride and the groom. Mi adir al hakol, mi baruch al hakol, mi gadol al hakol, hu yivarech et hachatan v'chala.
I remember when Samantha was getting ready to go to university in another city, in another state. Her car was in the front driveway and was packed. My wife, Samantha, and I walked out the front of our house. On the front steps, we hugged and kissed goodbye. We walked her to the car, and we hugged and kissed goodbye again, not wanting the moment to end. Then she got in the car and started to go down the driveway. Her arm shot out the window, waving goodbye. The car turned around a curve and she was gone. We were so proud of the person she had become. And we're so excited for her because she was starting a new chapter in her life where she would be almost completely independent. But as we stood there, tears were streaming down our face because while she was starting a new chapter, one was ending for us.
Love cannot be guided, forced, or strategized. Love is omnipresent, is engulfing, and unshackled. Trevor and Samantha, your actions will forever be guided by your heart and your absolute love for one another. Today will not only become a beautiful memory for you, but for all of us, the catalyst for your new life together and a shared love eternally. As you embark on your next adventure together as husband and wife, promise to remind each other how wonderful each other is and live each day to win each other's hearts over and over again.
Watching Samantha grow up, that she was something special. And we hoped that when it came to choosing her life's mate, she would find someone that would care for her as much as she would care for him.
Go for it, Trevor. Mazel tov. Kiss the bride. You can kiss the bride. Okay. Well done. Okay.
Oh my God.